Did you know that Canada, one of the world's largest oil producers, has been quietly increasing its oil exports to China? For years, the US was Canada's top energy partner, but now the tide is shifting. And this shift has massive implications for global energy, geopolitics, and economic stability. Stick around as we dive deep into Canada's unexpected oil shift to China and what it means for you. Canada holds the third largest oil reserves in the world, mostly in Alberta's oil sands. For decades, the US was the primary buyer, taking in over 95% of Canadian oil exports. But recently, something has changed. Canada is diversifying its energy partnerships, and China has emerged as a key player. Several factors are driving this unexpected shift. US energy independence. The US has ramped up its own oil production, relying less on foreign imports. Pipeline politics. Projects like Keystone XL were cancelled, limiting Canada's ability to export to the US. China's energy hunger. China's demand for crude oil is skyrocketing as it seeks to fuel its growing economy. With limited options, Canada has started sending more oil to Asia, specifically to China. This shift isn't just about economics, it's about global power. By strengthening its energy ties with China, Canada is entering a delicate geopolitical game. The US factor. Washington has long considered Canadian oil vital to North American energy security. China's strategy. Beijing is securing energy sources worldwide, reducing dependence on Middle Eastern oil. Trade tension. Canada is balancing its relationship between two superpowers, both of whom have conflicting interests. Could this growing energy partnership trigger new tensions? This shift also raises critical economic and environmental questions. Jobs and revenue. More exports mean more profits for Canada's oil sector, but will it last? Environmental backlash. Critics argue that expanding oil exports contradicts Canada's climate goals. Energy transition. As the world moves toward renewables, how long can Canada rely on oil exports? So, what's next? Will Canada continue expanding oil exports to China? Will the US react to losing its dominant role in Canada's energy trade? Could new pipelines or policies shift the balance yet again? Canada's oil shift to China is more than just a business move. It's a signal of changing global dynamics. Energy security, economic power, and geopolitical influence are all at stake. So what does this mean for you? Expect more energy price fluctuations, watch for potential trade tensions, and keep an eye on how Canada navigates this fragile balancing act.